Did you know that one of the most important parts of your cell, it's all important, but when it comes to energy, the important part of your cell are the mitochondria. These are what you learned about in your freshman biology class in high school, the powerhouse of the cell. It's the part of the cell that's pulling in the food you've eaten, fats and carbohydrates, and then it's burning them. We say the word burn, and it's not like you actually have a fire there, of course, but in fact the process is pretty similar. You're actually using oxygen to come in and help that process happen. Just like a flame needs oxygen in order to burn the wood, the mitochondria need oxygen in order to burn this fuel. Like wood is the fuel to the fire, fats and carbohydrates, or glucose in particular, are the fuel for the mitochondria to give the body energy. So if you need the mitochondria in order to burn energy, especially burn fat, you're never going to lose fat from your body. You're never going to lose your fat mass if you can't burn fat in your mitochondria. You need to have a healthy population of mitochondria in your cells, especially your muscle cells, which are, just by how much there is on the body, really the main site of fat burning. You want to help those mitochondria work well, so you need to train them to burn fat. Of course, that means you have to be in fat burning mode. And fat burning mode happens only when insulin is low. Now, of course, you can keep insulin low by just not eating anything, a true fasting state. You can also put the body into that mode by just avoiding the foods that spike insulin the most and focusing on the foods that keep insulin in control the best. That's protein and fat. And then being careful with the food, like I said, the foods that spike insulin the most, that's carbohydrates. So if you're focusing on protein and fat, you're helping insulin stay low and thus helping the body burn fat and training the mitochondria. In fact, even making more mitochondria. One of the powerful aspects of dietary fat, in particular these unappreciated fats called short-chain fats that we've almost eliminated from our diet, is that short-chain fats, when they're in the blood, help the body develop more mitochondria, basically priming the pump to burn fat better.